Good morning, dear friends. Today, I'm going to teach you the uses of all the slant lines we have learnt. On the other day, we learnt center line, left line, and right line. So how we are going to use this is, for example, you have to write a B. So you will write left line, and it's a mirror image of C. Okay, D, okay, A, B, C, and then D. To write D, you write a C and then a right line. E and then F. F, you start from the right side, a curve, and it's a center line. G. So G is again a C, you write a C, and then a right line with a curve. That makes it G. H. H is a left line. You start from here, take it up and down. H. I is a midline. J. J is again a midline going into lower zone with a curve. K is a left line. L is a center line. M, N, O, P. P again is a left line and it's a mirror image of C. And then Q, you write a C and then you draw a right line with a stroke. R, S, and then T. T is a center line with a curve. U, V, W, X, and Y. See? Y is similar to H. See? And then you put a right line with a curve. That makes it Y. So these are the letters where we use all the three lines, left, center, and right. Here, left, right, center, right, left, center, center, left, center, left, right, center, and right. So this is the way to use the lines. If you have mastered these slant lines, left, right, and center, you will be able to write all of these letters. Okay, so that's it for today.